It's IBC 2022 and we're in Hall 7 and we are at the Kiloview stand with Judy. Hi Judy.
Hi Simon.
So Judy, we've already had a chat about the Kiloview ecosystem, which is all very exciting. Now we're talking about some products. So we're going to start with the N50 at the top, I believe. Tell us about that.
Yes, of course. The M50 actually is the product we released a few weeks ago. This can handle 12G SDI in to full NDI, NDI HX, NDI HX3 for encoding and decoding. And what's different with our previous ones is, here this display to showing all the status, and people can just do the operation here. So it's really, really convenient. We can check the status, we can do the upgrading and even modifying the IP or whatever. And showing the interfaces, you can see we can even bring USB inputs or outputs to NDI or free NDI from NDI. And of course, we got the storage using the TF card, so that will be very convenient for direct recording. And the unique point with this one is, the M50, we use a very advanced chipset, so that can handle up to the colors. The color image is much better than any of the previous ones. That we can handle for YUV 422 up to 10 bits. So image quality and the latency and everything is perfect.
Fantastic. Okay, and going down the pile, we've got the D350. What's that all about?
This is actually an update model of our previous DC300. So this one, the functions will be almost the same, but we are adding a lot of more features. So here we are having the display, and also we are, bringing full NDI to support that. So that means with this one unit, you can decode everything.
Wow, okay.
All the protocols, full NDI, NDI HX, RTMP, RTSP, SRT, and everything, we can bring back to SDI and HDMI, and we can do up to 4K, 9 channels. Wow. So it's really, really powerful.
Fantastic, okay.
Yeah.
And we're left with this rather lovely looking product, the Cube.
Yeah, Cube, yes, that's our latest product.
Okay.
So the Cube one, actually we have a series of the Cube products.
Okay.
This one is the Cube R1 that can do the recording. So you can see from this device, we have the touch screen and we have physical buttons. So easily we can get all the videos preview here, and you can select which one to start to stop the recording. And also we can do up to 9 channels of recording simultaneously. Okay. And this one is the unique design. You can get all kinds of SSD card in it, and it's we got the redundant, so it can support hot swapping. And if we turn to the back, then you can see we also have redundant power supply for reliable operation, and we got 10 gigabit SFP and even Ethernet. So it's very convenient for whatever network you have. And got the HDMI output. That means at the same time you can display from this touch screen with the settings, and also you can connect to your monitor for the video monitoring and all those kind of things. And with USB, it will be very convenient to just connect with your mouse or your keyboard. So the operation is really convenient, and that's very powerful, and it's plug and play. So customers just configure the product and then it goes. They don't need to do any kind of installation or whatever.
No. Now we mentioned the ecosystem before, and you've got the panel deck, which I think is the heart of it, isn't it?
Yes.
Whereabouts are we looking at? Is this?
Yes, that's the panel deck.
Okay.
So the panel deck is just trying to, it's a little bit heavy. The panel deck also have a touch screen. So this is the main one, and actually we have a series of the decks that can work together, or they can also work independently.
Okay.
For this product, actually we are using the web technology to bring our software systems, web UI here, and then we can configure which product you want to test, control, or monitor. Wow. And there will be soft keys on the touch screen and also physical keys. So that will be very, very convenient for customers to control a switch what kind of operations. And we know people love those keyboards. So we are bringing everything here, and it will be very easy.
Fantastic. So we've got the N50, the D350, the Cube, and the panel deck.
Yes.
Are they all available now?
For the M50 and all those products that will be available next month, and for all those ones will be end of Q4.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So anyone in Amsterdam, IBC, can come and find you. Whereabouts are we? In Hall 7?
Yes.
Hall 7?
So Hall 7 B60.
B60.
Yes.
And for those that aren't in Amsterdam, where can they find more information?
You can find Kiloview website for all those detailed information at www.kiloview.com.
Fantastic. Judy, thank you very much. Do check out the other video we did with Judy on the Kiloview ecosystem. And for all the information you need on their products, look at the website. And for everything else we're doing here at IBC, check out KITPLUS.com.